Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Landon, Dad from David's Automotive Repair, and today it is Maintenance Monday. So what you are looking at here are two spark plugs. I'm sure you can probably tell which is new and which is bad. This one here on the left, obviously not too good of a spark plug, and then this one on the right is a brand new one. So on the left, as you can tell, it doesn't have a very consistent flow of electricity as the one on the right. What this can lead to is your vehicle actually misfiring and not running properly. So spark plug maintenance is going to be different for every vehicle. If you notice that your vehicle is running rough or maybe even misfiring, come on down to David's Automotive Repair and we'll get your vehicle running right.